Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Manager in Fall River, and we are looking at 270 Stetson Street, Apartment 3 in Fall River, Massachusetts. This is a third floor, 4-bedroom apartment located in the North Highland area of Fall River, Massachusetts. Right now we are in the living room area. As you can see, this apartment is equipped with hardwood floor and tile floors. Straight ahead, we have a small storage closet to the right of the kitchen. As we walk into the kitchen here, we have plenty of cabinet space. We have a lot above and below. We have the gas stove here, a beautiful stainless steel sink. And then we have the fridge straight ahead. To the right of the kitchen, we're going to walk past the small storage closet to the right, and then we have the first bedroom here, which has a double bifold door closet. You can see more of that hardwood floor throughout the apartment. Right across the first bedroom and to the right is the main entrance. We have the second bedroom here. This bedroom has a traditional closet. Going back down this little hallway area, walking past the storage closet, we also have the bathroom here, which you can see has black and white tile floor, full-size tub and shower, medicine cabinet with vanity lighting above. Moving to the second half of the apartment, to the left we have the third bedroom here. Again, this bedroom has a traditional closet, more of the hardwood floor. And to the left we have the last and largest bedroom here. Straight ahead from this last bedroom is a small extension of the room. To the left we have another storage closet for this bedroom. We have an exit to the front door. We have a little cubby area here, a little window and a makeshift bench, and then the door for the heating system. A tenant could potentially transform this room into an additional living space or have it as the fourth bedroom. And this property is managed by Nexus Property Management. So you do have benefits such as having an online login where you can contact staff, make rent payments online. You also have other such benefits such as access to a 24-hour service line for emergency repairs and maintenance. And we also have other services such as key copying. Again, this is 270 Stetson Street, Apartment 3 in Fall River, Massachusetts.